XRP, we start with monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, I mentioned we are looking for the XRP for this year. All right. Because as we can see, for the last time, the XRP couldn't tag or even break the all-time high, which was somewhere around 3. And for this platform was 3.3. All right. That's why we mentioned because of this. You see if the XRP could solve the issue, and easily we can see the breakout of the all-time high, and at this point the price is very low. And for me, I'm interested. This is my opinion. And any trade, any price below 30 cent, this is the somewhere around 30 cent, and below 30 cent is the best price to look for buy if the traders they want to look for the long-term trade, if they want to keep the XRP for the long term. All right, it does mean at this price somewhere around 35 is not a good price, but the best will be somewhere around 30 cent. And we don't have really much thing to discuss, and the possibility for the price to drop somewhere around 15 is very low. All right, that's why we don't need to wait for the price to drop somewhere around 15 or 20. Somewhere around 30 cents should be enough. And but we have to wait for the price. I mean, even we have to wait for XRP to solve the case against this EC. By the way, as I mentioned, for this year, I'm looking for the XRP, and the best things if the price could break this channel. All right, right now we're looking at this. Okay, because I mentioned somewhere around 30 cent. If we look at this correction, if the price at least tag the previous low, which is somewhere around 30.29 cent, following by divergence, this is where we can look for buy, and by considering as the reversal for the long term. All right, this is the best. All right, even at this point, if anyone they want to just put some money, they want to look for they want to keep it for the long term, is a good price. And again, this is my opinion, it depends on the strategy the traders they're looking for. And even if anyone they get the trade set up based on lower time frame, they can look for buy. But based on daily and weekly chart, if the price tagged 29 or 30 cent following by divergence, this is where we can look for buy. Even we don't need to look for the trade setup at that point, we just take it, we just buy. Okay, but at this point, if anyone wants to look for the trade setup, we don't have any trade setup, and we cannot put this one as a correction relative to what we have here. And if I move to lower time frame based on 1 hour chart, daily chart, we don't have much things to discuss. We see the price drop somewhere around 30, it bounce. All right, that's why if the price continue and the break or tag the 30 cent, even based on the daily chart, we can look for divergence, weekly and daily chart. That's why the 30 is the best price to look for buy. And if I move to lower time frame, if anyone wants to look for the trade setup, at this point, we don't have any trade setup. Having entry above this, somewhere around 36 cent can be an option, but it's not a really good idea. How about if I move to 1 hour chart? Similar explanation. That's why for me, for this year, I'm looking for the XRP, and I'm waiting for the price at next. I mean, one more times the price tag somewhere around 29 or 30. That's mean we see the price tag or breakout. The breakout will be the best of this low, the lowest price of this correction, following by divergence. This is where I'm going to look for buy. It doesn't mean if the price drop to this low, if the next reversal will be the one is going to tag the all-time high. But at that point, at that price, is the best price to look for buy. Anyway, this is my opinion again. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, any opportunity for buy, all right. I mean, either based on higher time frame or lower time frame, then I will share. Thanks.